Have you ever carried and brought your own food with you while you were in abroad? Well, have you ever been to a stock farm immediately after your trip abroad? Korea has border quarantine at the airport or port to prevent the influx of foreign animal infections such as foot and mouth disease, highly pathogenic avian influenza, and African swine fever. Most livestock and raw fruits are not imported. Major restricted items include meats such as beef, pork, lamb, processed meats such as jerky, sausage, ham, jangjorim, agricultural products such as raw fruits, vegetables, nuts, and plants such as seeds and seedlings. These items are also restricted to international mail. Also, you should be careful not to bring in restricted items such as livestock and raw fruits if you invite your family, such as your parents. If you do not report animal or plant items brought in by hand, you will be fined up to 5 million won. People who work in stock farms are prohibited from entering farm and livestock shed for 5 days after the overseas trip. Also, wash your clothes that you were wearing while you were on your overseas trip right after entering Korea, and please take care of personal hygiene such as taking showers. Also, you should wear working clothes and boots for farm work and sterilize your shoes when entering the livestock shed. You are a quarantine officer who makes Korea a clean country.
The Prosecutors Office has enhanced financial support for foreigners who have been victims of crime, even when the damages are occurred by foreign perpetrators. The Human Rights Department of the Supreme Prosecutor Office has said last month that it has revised its internal guidelines to provide financial support to foreigners residing in Korea, even when they were victimized by another foreigner. So far, the Prosecutor's Office has excluded foreigners who were victims of crime by other foreigners from receiving support. However, in the future, even a foreigner who is victimized by another foreigner perpetrator will be entitled to receive financial support on the condition that the victim is a foreigner who is a legal resident or an overseas Korean citizen. The victim can request for an interpreter during investigation or court trial process and can also receive help from a government-appointed lawyer. Victims of domestic violence or child abuse crimes can receive financial support, such as for child protective measures and for medical treatment fees in case damage is confirmed. Domestic violence or sexual assault victims can apply for a permit to extend their period of stay until the remedy procedure is complete. Meanwhile, the Prosecutor's Office has translated and distributed this information in 11 languages, including Vietnamese and Thai. For more information, please contact the Crime Victim Support Office of the Prosecutor's Office.
Each year, about 100 deaths occur due to industrial accidents like being caught in machineries. How can we prevent accidents like being caught in machineries? Before working, make sure that the protective cover is installed on the rotating part of the machine tool. If something is wrong with the machine, do not try to repair it by yourself. Make sure to report it to the authority first. Be sure to turn off the machine when checking or repairing it. While machine inspection or repair is being done, make sure to put up a sign to warn others that repair or inspection is ongoing so that they wouldn't accidentally turn on the machine. Your safety is your right. Foreigners for Safe Korea. This campaign is jointly organized by the Ministry of Employment and Labor and the Safety and Health Corporation.